Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Tuesday, August 25th. We are one day removed from Kobe Day. And I am back with a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're going to dive into the on foot. It is an illustrious, beautiful, remarkable day here in Philadelphia. So we're definitely going to be doing the on foot, out in the streets, out in the element, out with my people. The pair of sneakers that I desperately needed to get. And I pulled the trigger and got them off the sneakers app because I didn't think they were going to be sold locally in the sneaker boutiques that I frequent. And lo and behold, after I ordered them on Nike, I went and checked on a few Instagram pages of stores here in Philadelphia, and they actually did have them in store. So they dropped August 15th, and then I ended up ordering them on Nike, seeing they were available in store in Philadelphia, but already processed the order with Nike. They're not a pair of sneakers that's going to have any type of resale value. So I just had to chalk it up. And of course, due to COVID, Nike shipping has been slower than usual. So they actually came in today. It's August 25th. August 25th, ordered them Saturday, August 15th. 10 days to ship. Not too bad, I guess, due to the current climate and current circumstances. Before we jump into this review, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you're feeling this video, give your boy a thumbs up and follow me on all social. And without further ado, you know the drill. You know why you're here. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We have the Air Max 90 QS in the Cheetah colorway. Flames. 5,000 flame emojis right now. The roof is on fire. This is a pair of sneakers, like I stated, I absolutely had to get. If you've been rocking with me for at least a little bit, you know that your boy has two styles. I either wear a very, very loud outfit with some subtle sneakers, or I flip the script, or wear a very subtle outfit with some very loud sneakers. This is a pair of sneakers that you would wear a black tee and a pair of black jeans, maybe a little distressing on the denim, who knows, maybe a pair of shorts, a t-shirt. These sneakers can do it all, and they're not going to be for everybody. I will say that right out the gate. Some people may not like the loudness of the sneaker. The combination of the purple, the black, the red, the Volt, and then like this Tiffany's bluish green, which is on the inside swoosh and on the bottom of the sole. They may not be for everybody, and that's fine. They're for me. $140 was the retail price. True to size. Always go true to size in an Air Max 90. It is a chunky, bulky shoe. You do not want to go up even the slightest bit because it already makes a big, wide, fat shoe look even fatter. I have fat feet, so the Air Max 90 does kind of really emphasize on how fat your foot is. But just super dope. A colorway that I thought was pure fire. If you're not in tune to why it is called the Air Max 90 Cheetah, just a brief oral history real quick. It is called the Air Max 90 Cheetah because it strikes resemblance with the sample of the Air Yeezy 2 Cheetah. PJ Tucker, I think, actually has the pair, and he's flexed them before. But it bears a resemblance to that. You have the predominantly purple upper, then this hints of black, which is not seen on the Yeezy Cheetah. Then again, the Volt, the red laces, that Tiffany blue, that Tiffany translucent bottom. It strikes resemblance to the Air Yeezy 2 Cheetah, hence why they went with it. Even the tongue even itself just resembles a Yeezy with the way the texturing of the tongue. You have pony hair, which I believe is what the fur on the shoe is actually real. Like the Air Jordan 3, it has that little tag inside. This shoe contains real fur. Fur type, dyed adult bovine fur. Fur origin, Brazil. Nike Inc. 1, Bowerman Drive, Beaverton, Oregon. And then the zip. Just subtle little touches that I thought were super dope. The inside collar is leather. The fur on the toe box. And that's the only spot you really see that's the only spot the fur exists is on the toe box. Then you have like this ostrich snakeskin type leather pattern here on the outside mud guard. A purple suede swoosh. And then again, more of that perforated leather. followed up by mesh going around the ankle. Nike Air branding on the back of the sneaker in white, and then when you get to the inside, the script kind of flips. You have purple suede on the inside part of the mudguard, then perforated suede on the inside opposed to the leather that is on the outside. A leather Nike swoosh on the inside in the Tiffany's blue opposed to the suede purple on the outside of the shoe. And then it comes back around to the leather going around the toe box and that beautiful black fur on the toe. Like I said, true to size, $140. And I know they're not for everybody, but like I said, I thought they were super dope. This is a pair of sneakers I'm definitely going to be bringing with me and Nay up to Salem when we go up there next week. I'm actually not sure how many more reviews I'm going to get in before we go away to Salem, but we'll definitely be vlogging up there. I'm going to expand the channel a little bit. It won't be just a strictly sneaker video when I go up to Salem. I'm sure along the way we're going to try to hit up some sneaker shops. Not really sure what's open between Philly and Salem, Massachusetts as far as in-person shopping experience, but we're going to try, and we're definitely going to be, capturing footage for you guys, whether it's just a whole vlog dedicated to the trip or B-roll footage thrown into the next sneaker review after. But if anybody has any recommendations for Salem, make sure you leave them down in the comment. And like I said, smash that subscribe button, give your boy a thumbs up. One last look at the Air Max 90 Cheetah. We're gonna go bang out this on foot. I'll be back this weekend with another sneaker review. Until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace.
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
cheetah, he's a cheetah. Together they some cheetahs.
Holla.
Richie Ruckus,